Hi everyone, my name is Sean, and today I'd like to introduce about my own opinion of the business for the globalization and the observation for myself. Yes, like for like in my opinion, I think like for now, like in the world, like globalization is like to, it's it's a main way to like to contact for the all the countries. Like there's a way to like to contact and to communication. Yeah, they can like to help each other. Yes, for my opinion, like I think like first I want like to introduce about what is globalization. I think like globalization is like it's not just only a long country to have a technology or economy to more high or something. Like example for the Canada, I think it relies on international trade for many everyday goods products from the internet. They can like to buy to get the products from come here and to sell sold to another where, and this is for the products are designed, made, and sold in different parts of the world. Yes, that's the globalization. I think they also like to use their own countries, their own products to share to each other. Yeah. And for the next, I think like for the advantages of the globalization, I think like globalization we can see the more fashion and the special goods, or like in our daily life we can see like the hot pot or like some drinks machine or clothes or something, and we can get them like to, if somebody like in a hot area like to in the like near the Asia or something, like if they in winter they need the warm clothes, like they can like to buy the online for the Canada products, like for example for the Canada Goose or something, they can buy their clothes from there, so they have a variety of the products we can buy, and we can like get lower prices for customers, like some goods in their own country, they have their own tax or something, and they design this products, they have the lower price for the customers to spend it. So this is a good ways for the advantage too, and also we can have the access to global brands and the technology to help each other to get them higher, improve everyone's. Yeah. The next, for example, is my clothes. Like, I have a expensive clothes for like a coat, like and it's designed for the animals feathers. It's the sheep feathers. Yes. So this is like this clothes is my the brand is Dior. Like, but I buy this clothes from the airport shops. Yes, and why I buy there? Because the first is very cheap. Because I buy there, I can get no tax. So and this clothes I love it, so I buy this. So that is, I think, the globalization is the main waste for the clothing. I buy the reason first, and two is that this clothes Asia don't have it, so I just buy this clothes for my favorite one. So I think the globalization like to make us have more favorite items that we can like to get and search it. So I think it's a good way. For next, it's for the like my our Chinese our online apps. Its name is Taobao, and I think like Taobao is our like our country's person. We love to use it because like we have like more item and shops like to adapt ourselves. Like we like to use that. Like in all other countries, or for example when in Canada, because like sometimes I want to use some like like uh like something like the shampoo or something, a conditioner or something, or something like I want to use my from my country. So like, but in Canada I didn't search it, I can't find it, so I only like to must to go online for our country's apps and apps, and I order to ship to here. So I think the globalization is can help our to have like to have a dream to like to nearby our hometown, and we can live and we can know there. For example, yes, my computer machine, the monitor, like this machine's monitor, I buy it on my Taobao's online apps. I ship to here, so I use this very much because like Canada's some monitors is very expensive, and I don't know their protection, so I don't know how to use this very much. So I use my own our Chinese own band. So yes, and the next is my hot pot. Like like sometimes I'm a night person, so if I like to go after school, I go to sleep, and then when I wake up, there is 1 a.m. and 2 a.m. or 3 a.m. sometimes. And when I get up, I'm very hungry, and we cannot order food, and the shops there is closed, so we didn't have time and a chance to order the food. So I'm hungry. From that, so I have an idea. I want to cook by myself, like, but there's nothing that I can cook for the products for my. But I have food, but it's raw. So I want I need to cook the food for myself. So I go to Walmart to search a small pot, and it's safety from the restaurant, but I didn't find it. So I just like to find online, and another I find the Amazon, but the Amazon apps didn't have two, so I just like to go to my Taobao online to order this. This product is from the China. They made in China, and the bronze is idea. The bronze pip is idea. I think this bronze is very good, and I read the rules. It's all allowed for the residence rules. So I think like globalization can help me to fix my life's problem. I think this is a good way to can help me, because if something I cannot like to fix my life problem, like this is not, it's very terrible, and it's a not good, it's a terrible thing in myself. For I think so I think like globalization is a good way to can help more people to fix their own problems, like like such as like our Chinese person, yeah. And next is the McDonald's and Apple keyboard. These two, they like is all from the other countries, but they sell on the Canada. The why is that like the Apple keyboard? I think the products machine, the technology is not from Canada, but the Canada, we like they can sell this and to get some money from there. Like they can move their economy to more higher or something. And then we can like to manufacture there globally. Like, and also we can like to share each other with their technology, and to like, yeah, make up together. Yeah. So I think globalization, they can to like to if a country they have a good and high technology machines, they can to share to each other, and they can make their own global to be grow together. And for the McDonald's is also from another country's restaurant, but I think like this restaurant come to Canada, they can help us there to get a fast food, like a way to get fast food, and also like to create a jobs from the Canadians. Like some Canadians didn't have a job because they didn't have a high, like they didn't have a high graduated university, so that some companies don't want them and don't let him to work with to him to there. So like I think the McDonald's, they can to like give them more jobs from Canadians, so they can move the, yeah, more country, more people, their family have the wage and money, yeah, to survive. So I think globalization is like this. It's like a line to shape and share, and to yes, to main together with each other, like to cut to shape a, yes. And for last, I think the disadvantage of the globalization, I think like some products and some shops or restaurants, they maybe like to make their own brands, own countries, like they maybe like to make their job loss, like such as like if some clothes or something like to in Canada they sell very well or something, so like their Canada own brands will like to job lose or their sellers will be less. That's the disadvantage. And another is like they will have a strong competition for local business. Like they will like to compare and have a high competition to each other. Maybe they will like to fight, like yeah, fight each other. Like the last year, the Americans they have like the tax trade. So yes, they're like hurt their relationship. And the last I think is the health and safety. Like some items like the food or clothes, they're not very safety or healthy. Maybe some Canadians eat them, they will like to get like the hurt or something, illness something. Yeah, so I think like this is a disadvantage for the globalization. Like everything they have the good way and the bad way. We must to know each other and to like to leave away the bad way. Yes. In conclusion, over my opinion overall, then I think like globalization I very support it because like it gives Canadians more items and more choose chance to make their like such as low prices, like access of products from all over the world for the daily life to improve their daily life. So however it will also create changes such as job loss and competition for local business, but it also the country need it and they want to be survive it. Yes, that's my introduction. Thank you very much.